Hello everybody, welcome to the next part of the truck charging saga. I've got my helper with me today. And another new battery. I put a battery on this one and it seemed to cure the fault. After it had an alternator and it had a relay and it had a couple of other things on it. And also, so I put another battery on it because the old battery failed. And that was in September, which was 2 months ago. Yeah, I put a battery on this one about 2 months ago, which was in September the 19th. Put it on, it was fine, and then I found that as I've been leaving it, if I leave it for anything longer than a day, this thing will not start. I've checked the drain, is 0.4 of an amp, which isn't much, it should last longer than a week. I disconnected the spotlights just in case it was them draining it, but again, there wasn't much difference in the drain. And I checked the charging system, which new alternator, new relay, new battery. It was charging at over 14 volts, so everything was fine. So I did a test on the old battery this morning and it failed, so I've taken that back and now we're fitting it to this and hopefully it will cure the fault. Right, so before you do your own battery, I thought I would give you a couple of hints and tips just to help you out before you get started. So, first things first, the tools I used for this job are going to be a 10mm spanner for both the positive and the negative terminal, and also a 12mm deep socket and a ratchet to undo the clamp with the battery. And one thing I was going to say with the clamp is you can't see it very well, but it goes down into one hole there, and if we move around the other side, into another hole there. So as you undo it, you can pull them out of the hole and get the clamp off, which is ideal. And another thing I was going to say is, if you're ever doing a battery, the best way to do it is always take off the negative first and then the positive second. When you're putting it back on, always put the positive on first and then the second. The way to tell this is, a lot of cars you'll have a red wire on the positive side and a black on the negative. I say a lot of cars because I know Vauxhalls are slightly different, so be very careful. Also, have a look on the battery. You can see there's a negative sign on the negative terminal, which is like a takeaway or a line, whatever you want to call it, a minus. And on the positive side, you'll have a positive symbol, which is like a plus sign or an X. So yeah, always look for them just in case, because you really don't want to mix them up, especially on a modern car, because it can actually damage some of your ECUs. Just a quick side note, be careful when lifting batteries. They can be extremely heavy, and obviously you don't want to damage yourself by doing incorrect manual handling. Also, if you are unsure about doing this, then like I said, you can cause damage to your ECUs if it's done incorrectly, so always consult a professional.
Can you lift that up? That's like a 5,000 voltage.
No, it's a 12 volt and it's 830 amps. But
5-year guarantee.
But because of the last one that didn't...
Why does it say 5,000 on it?
That's the make of the battery, that's the type of battery it is. You ask her, because it's 5,000, that means it comes with a 5-year warranty. And that's when you get it silver as well, it looks all posh rather than the other ones being black.
This is really heavy.
What we're going to do though, before we go any further with this, one thing I am going to do is grab the keys from my van. We're going to do a battery test on this one. Right, what you want to do is...
I'll do this one. Like clamp it onto here.
Yeah, you take the black one always goes to the negative. You see that? Do you know what the negative is? It's that line, like the takeaways time.
Well, I try to clamp it on there.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
There you go. And the red you always put the red on first. And red goes to positive, which is a plus side. Listen to me. Red goes on to the positive, which is a plus side. So, and then you put the black one on afterwards. But with the battery test though, it doesn't matter as much. That's it. Now look what it says on the screen.
It says 0 amp clamp.
Yeah.
Okay, place amp clamp.
Click on next.
Okay, next, where's next?
There, look. See it on the screen? Right, now we need to go across to not drain test, or stock fitment test. Stock test, here we go.
Stock.
New stock. Part number. Let's just go.
What's this got a case?
No, let's just go. I tell you what, because this isn't my actual stock. This is for.
I like it.
Right, leave that there, Deke. You don't need to take that with you. Second, just leave it there, because otherwise, if you drop it on the floor, that can smash. See?
Can I help?
Yeah.
This could smash if I drop it on the floor.
Right, click on next again.
Next.
Right, now we go lead acid, so click next.
Next.
Then wait a sec.
What?
All we have to do now is read these, look, see, you see what that says first?
830 AEN.
EN, and we're already on EN, so click next.
Next.
We're already on 830 because I tested the one this morning, click next.
14C.
You have to aim that at the battery. There you go. Now click next. Yeah, now it should be doing a test for us.
Testing. 830 AEN. Why does it have like a clock symbol? Please wait.
Good battery. There we are.
Oh!
And then it's so it shows that this one is good and ready to be.
Oh, so should I
Ready
pull
to be
these clamps
fitted.
off?
Yeah, let's pull these ones off.
Right, that's good.
Do you want to take and put it back in the van?
Yeah.
I've got a big head. Right, first thing we're going to do, bugger in fudge. Right, first thing we're going to do,
I got gloves as well to work with.
we're going to put that one over there.
What do we do with this one?
Why is that gone like that? Is that the wrong one? Can't be. We need to make sure that goes over this side of the battery.
Okay.
There we go. Now this one, goes into a hole that's there. You can barely see, but what we'll do, put that one down to there.
What does that do? Keep it in?
Yeah.
Or does that keep the battery in here so that it's safe?
Stops it from falling out or going anywhere. Then what we do,
Or like hitting the bonnet and denting it.
so you make sure you don't touch.
You got a baseball cap and I got like a
Yeah.
new cap.
Make sure you don't touch this because otherwise you can make it spark. But what we can do then
Can I
is,
try?
yeah,
Oh, that's making it go further down there. Can I try?
yeah. Make sure you
Making that go further down, that's good.
yeah, we just hold the battery in place. You know? Right, keep cranking it a little bit. Is it getting
It's
tighter?
really, really tight.
It's getting there, isn't it? Let me do it.
Oh, God. It's really tight, isn't it?
That is tight in there now. You've done good. That's good.
Wait, that actually isn't moving whatsoever.
No, I'll just
Can I
do
try
this
to
one.
go in there?
You can do this one if you want. Because this clamps the battery in place, you always need to make sure you clamp it in place good. But the only thing is, I don't know if I put that a bit too far forwards. Might have to push it back a bit, but that'll do for now, won't it? Right, next thing we do then. There we are. That's it. Yeah,
It doesn't even move a little bit. All it moves is the track
It
lock.
doesn't need to be silly tight. Let me just check and make sure to see how tight you done that, because you did that really good. There we are. Yeah.
It's
that
not.
was really tight.
Oh,
as well. There we are, that's
it's
fine.
not even moving. It's just moving the whole entire truck.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be stupidly tight, because otherwise you can get damage in the battery. But as long as you do it tight like you did, that's good, that is.
Wow.
Now, we put this one on.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, that one's fallen off, which is silly.
Can I try put it in?
Yeah. What we do, you can put the other one on, I'll show you what to do with this one. Look, push it, and then you've got to get it to go down.
Okay, can I try to do that?
No, you can do the other one.
Okay.
Why is that not doing now? What I might do with this one, give it a little tap, 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 tappy. Oh, bugger. Tap, 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 tappy.
It's gone way down there.
Yeah.
It's in the truck now. You can't get that other part back now.
No, that's gone forever.
Why? Why didn't you take it? Where's it gone?
Down there, I need to get a magnet. Right, then we have
You
to...
need to get a magnet. Why the heck? Why the heck did you do that for? That's just stupid. That's just weird.
Right, now we need to do the negative one.
Can I do it?
Yeah. No, we need the spatula. Hang on.
How is that one tinier than the other one?
Because this is just the earth.
Mm.
I need to make the other side better. I might tidy up the other side in a minute.
Wow. What do I need to hammer it down again?
No, you shouldn't have to with this one. I shouldn't have to with the other one really, but it's just a pain in the backside. So the other one, I think I might rewire that because it's done really badly. Me and Uncle Marky just making it fit for the spotlights, that was.
You can put it on now because that's nearly off.
A minute, this is going to be...
That's gone forever now. That button is...
No, it's not, it's fine. This one.
It's literally gone. It's gone.
No, it hasn't.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah, I got it in my hand.
Why is this so... Why do you want to get this?
And you don't... Yeah, you can put that one down, we don't need that one now. There we are, put that one on. Put that one on there, put the ratchet down, you don't need that.
Oh, we do not. I don't put it on.
Yeah, now it's on. What you need
Can
to
I
do
screw it in?
is, yeah, just make sure
Wait,
that's
are we using a wrench?
I'm using a spanner.
Can I use a spanner?
Do you see what I'm doing though?
Yeah, I know how to use a spanner. You go like the other one. You go like that, but it's you don't go back and forth. You have to go one way to tighten it up, and or if you want to untighten it, go the other way and then take it off instead of like going back and forth. So it's kind of like the other one. It's just like it's kind of different. Yeah, it's really tight now. It's good and tight on it now. It sounds like they're back. I can hear yeah, it sounds like me barking as well. Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching our video. I hope that might help some of you out, or that it's entertained a few of you. And thank you to my helper that was with me, my boy Deke. Have you got anything you want to say?
I got this cool fidget spinner that my sister gave me, and I got a Nintendo Switch for my birthday.
Yeah, because what is today?
My birthday! I'm 9.
Yeah.
And
yeah, so wish him a happy birthday with me. And also, sorry I sounded grumpy in this one. I actually had a cold when we were recording the first bit, so I sound really grumpy in the video. Although you sound really awesome.
Yeah, I got loads of Nintendo Switch games as well that I played. I played Mario, Random, Mushroom Kingdom, like Rabid plus Rabid Kingdom Battle.
Yeah, and you got more to play tomorrow as well.
Yeah, I got Lumo as well. Gear World, Dig 2.
Loads of stuff.
And I got Rayman, and I got Sparklight.
We need to get a racing game though, don't we?
No. I want Super Mario Party, it's my thing.